So hey everyone, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see how we can create Azure Databricks Cloud account. I am going to divide this video in two parts. In the first part, we will see how we can create Azure Cloud account and how we can set up the price alert along with the workspace overview. And in the second video, we will see how we can create Databricks workspace, how we can create a cluster in the Databricks workspace, and how you can run your first sample Spark code. So let's see. For creating Azure Cloud account, go to your browser. I already have multiple cloud accounts, so for showing you how we can create, I am going to open in a new browser window where there I don't have any logins. So you can search for Azure Portal, search for Azure, and you will be redirected to this official website of Microsoft Azure, and just hit on it. You will see you can create a free tier account with the Microsoft Azure. So what you will get in the free tier account is, you can see you will get some popular services for 12 months. Then you will get 55 plus other services for lifetime access, and along with you will get 200 US dollars worth of credits to use for 1 month in Microsoft Azure. So for that you have to start your Microsoft account. So I'm going to hit on this start free tier. For that you need to log in with your Microsoft account. So I'm going to log in. Okay, it will ask me for passwords. Okay, so I will allow it. Don't ask this again. So once you log in with your Microsoft account, it will ask you to fill the form, and let's see how the form is actually. Here you have to provide some basic details in the form. The first one is the country or your region. Then you need to provide your basic detail like your first name, last name. Then the important thing, you need to verify your email address. After that, you have to provide your phone number. Enter your phone number here and just hit on this text me or call me. So it will verify your contact details as well. Then after that you need to provide some other details like company name. Some are optional, but you need to provide your billing address. Here you can see. Then you can check and all these check boxes where you can agree the terms and condition of Microsoft. I will suggest you can read all these terms and condition before doing this. Then after submitting these details, it will ask you for the card details. You can use your credit cards to process forward, and once you will submit all this, you are good to go with your Microsoft Azure subscription, and you will get the $200 worth of credit free in the Microsoft. So I am not going to continue with it. Instead of, I am going to show you the cloud account that I already have with Microsoft Azure. Here you need to come to this page while you can log into the Microsoft page. Here the portal.azure.com, and from here you can log in. So just hit on it. It will ask you for your credentials. So here I am able to log in successfully to my Microsoft Azure account, and this is how Microsoft Azure portal looks like. So here let's have a basic introduction to Microsoft Azure portal. So here you can see this is the side panel for Microsoft Azure portal, and here you can access all the services of Microsoft Azure, and those services are like Azure Entra ID, Azure Functional Accounts, virtual machines, Azure Database Services, etc. etc. You can explore this thing. Uh, After that, you can see in this Azure section you have one menu bar where you can see multiple feature, that is global search icon is there, that you can use to search any services throughout the Azure cloud. Then this is the Azure Cloud Shell. So it will open a command line tool in web. Then from here you can access your notification, your basic settings of Microsoft Azure, and from here you can access your Microsoft Azure account, or you can change your Microsoft Azure account from this. Then you will see there are some as popular Azure services are listed in this panel. It might differ for you. Below that there is a section called recent resources. It is empty for you. I have used it, so it shows some services or some subscription for me. So you can see here I have subscriptions like this is one Microsoft sponsored subscription. I have pay as you go accounts as well, and Azure subscription as well. Okay, so Azure subscription one, this kind of subscription you will get where you can get all the $200 of worth of credits. Okay, so this is the general overview of your Azure portal, and how we can set up the price alert in Microsoft Azure portal. This is the one important thing. Before you start any project, I will suggest you please prepare your budget for that project and set up the price alert on for that project. Otherwise, you will incur unnecessary cost if you keep your services that you are not using and they are running in the background, then you will charged by Azure for unnecessary cost. So let's see how we can set up the price alert. So for setting up the price alert in Microsoft Azure, you can see there is one window that is called budgets. So this is the window. So here, or you can search for cost management as well. Let's search for cost management, and you can see this is the cost management window. Okay, it is loading. Okay, so in the cost management, you have multiple things. That is, you can set up your accounts, reports, and everything is there. So here in the budget section, alert rules. So go in the budget section, and here you can see I have already created one budget alert for Databricks, right? So in this same way you can create the alert. So for creating new alert, you need to click on this add button. You need to just hit on the add button, and you can see create budget. Okay, so for budget creation there is two steps. First one is create a budget, and second thing is set alert. Okay, so for creating budget, you have to set your subscription. So in my case, for the budget, I have set up the subscription as pay as you go. So if you are using the pay as you go account, you can set up this. Okay, then after that you can add some filters. Then you can give the details like name of the budget. You can enter name of your budget. Then after that, here creation date and expiration date for the things you can add. Then here, okay, so this is the main thing. Here you can set up your amount for the budget. So I am going to set up like 2000 Indian rupees. Here it will ask for billing months. How you want to set up your budget, yearly, quarterly, or monthly. You can set up your budget. So I am going to set up this for monthly basis. Okay. So after providing all these details, so I will provide the name of the budget, like my sample budget. Okay. So once you click, you will get this option is enabled for you next, and here you can set up the price alert. For setting up the price alert, here you can see you can set up the alert conditions. So this is our your alert condition. Here you can select the type of alert, that is actual alert or forecast alert. Okay, so I am going to set actual alert. Then you can see how much amount of your budget in the terms of percentage you want to get alerted. So you can set first at 50% when your budget get 50% exhausted. then it will alert you. Okay, and then you can add some action groups as well that we will see in future. Then that is not required right now. Then in alert recipients, you can provide your mail ID where you want to get the Microsoft budget alerts. Okay, here you can set up the languages, and after that just hit on the create button, so your budget will be created. So I'm going to cancel this thing, and I'm going to show you the budget alert I have created previously. So this is the budget alert I have created previously. So in this way, you can create your Microsoft Azure Cloud account, and you can set up the budget alert for your projects. So in the next video, we will see how we can create a Databricks workspace, how we can create cluster and run our notebook in Azure Cloud Workspace. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the questions in the comment section. We will see you in the next lecture. Till then, happy coding.